Nĩ igũtha inene kũrĩ Karo Mwaura, and also a very very sad story. Na ũũ nĩ thutha wa mũndũ kũmũnũha na gũkorwo akĩhack pages ciake cia Facebook, her two pages, ĩrĩa ĩmwe ĩrarĩ Karo Mwaura that had over 200,000 followers, na ĩrĩa ĩngĩ ya Karo Mwaura Ngoreti onayo. They have both been hacked nĩ mũndũ ũtaramenyekana, mũndũ ũrĩa ũcokete akahũthĩra pages icio na rĩtwa rĩa Karo Mwaura gũkona andũ akĩmetia mbeca. Na rĩu Karo Mwaura says she has totally lost control of those accounts na she has now been forced to start all over again. Na nginya agakorwo akĩruta mũkana kũrĩ mafans ake atĩ they should no longer trust those pages, they are no longer in her hands. Nĩ ciyĩtwo nĩ mũndũ ũtaramenyekana. Na in fact now her new account is at Karo Mwaura the brand. Matigetĩkie any other account out there, she no longer has control of them. Na ĩno nĩ ndũmĩrĩri akorirwo akĩrekereria kũrĩ mafans ake akĩmera, hello my fans, I know you will all see this, my page was hacked and the hackers changed everything. They keep posting my photos so that people will think it's still me. They are now using the same page to con people by impersonating me. Below is the page with 274k followers. They also created a backup page that has 2.3k followers. I'm requesting you to report those two pages till they disappear. My new page is Karo Mwaura the brand with 3 followers. Make sure you follow that and build my page again. God bless you to those who hack people's pages. Murohe ada mugeshoga arei athigino yene. Oh my, it is so sad. Karo Mwaura's page with over 200k followers ni athie oguo. Na acoka akauga atĩ nginya ĩno ĩngĩ ya Karo Mwaura Ngoreti, it was not under her, it is the same person who hacked her account who went ahead to create a backup account na already nĩ managed to attract 2.3k followers. It is so sad. Pole sana kũrĩ Karo Mwaura, na ndũmĩrĩri ĩno nĩ ikinyĩire mafans ake na oho nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere kũmakinyĩra tondũ kumanya na ever since she shared this message, arũmĩrĩri ake about 200 mathiĩte na mbere gũkorwo magĩfollow her new page na also spreading the word ati her other account has been hacked. Na also Biti wa Maitha ũrĩa nĩ mũrata wa hakuhĩ mũno wa Karo Mwaura onake has reposted this to create more awareness na oho kwenda andũ mamenya atĩ Karo Mwaura is no longer in control of her account. Akiuga atĩ con alert guys, help Karo Mwaura the brand to report these pages, they've been hacked and both are conning people to get money. Na ona Karo Mwaura had also shared another post akĩra mafans ake atĩ it's now a new beginning for her tondũ her other accounts have now been hacked, she has lost them. Akiuga it's a new beginning, I've lost all the other pages, these my new pages, kindly follow. Agacoka agashare link yake ya YouTube, so guys be warned. Karo Mwaura the brand is the new Karo Mwaura's Facebook page. In fact, that is her official Facebook page. Ici ingĩ is just a con, they've both been hacked and they are no longer under her control.